That stuff is so cool. There is. Trying to find when my stream. So right now, I'm just cleaning up the pins and taking a look at whether or not there are any shorts on our data pins here. Really do need to get myself a proper magnifier, though. My first paycheck got deposited, though, so I might actually spring for one. Lot of okay. So Carolyn is actually going to be going across the border for some Black Friday shopping with their mom. Boxing yourself, you're just on the other side of the border from us, not terribly far, right? Yeah, Google's bought up and canned elect to any seniority, any like vacation day accruals, anything of that nature. That all still continues to count up, you know. But you have no paycheck. You generally will maintain some kind of benefits. You're eligible for unemployment insurance. Apparently, I've been really I've got 10 slots in animated and 5 in standard. I need to do some work, apparently. Okay. Oh wow! All right. Well, let's click some old emotes that I had to disable because. Huh. I didn't realize that we had. It actually like gives you a whole thing about like, hey, it's coming up. Maybe you should like, you know, do a thing. I had 6 emote slots available. What? Do with that information what you will. Yeah. Like, why is he asking? I don't know. Yeah. No, that's why. Yeah, I guess we're coming up on my 3-year stream anniversary here, aren't we? That's coming up real fast. I think it's next week sometime, if I remember right. Might even be this week. Not sure. I think Twitch tells me if I... Yeah, basically it's them telling you, go sit on the couch, collect unemployment, we might call you. If we call you back within 35 weeks, no harm, no foul, we don't owe you anything. If we can't bring you back within 35 weeks, then we process normal layoffs with severance pay and all that kind of stuff. Office and said, hey, temporary layoff, we might call you back within 35 weeks. You get your benefits, but that's all you get. Go away. Which, you know, not great. Not gonna pretend it was. people in our community. My mouse is not liking me today for some reason. Yeah, how time flies, no kidding. If I remember correctly, unceremoniously came down from on high and said, hey, the economy sucks right now. A lot of movie productions aren't going on. So we're laying off a third of this branch. And I was one of the names on the list. So went from Oh, we're coming up on 500 hours streamed as well. You know, I don't think either of us have ever been to Buffalo. Where that falls under the actual... weeks out from selling our house, we were actually like packing boxes. We had a stager come in. We were getting ready to list the house. And then I came home. I went to work one day, and in the middle afternoon, they called me at the office. Wasn't super pleased by that. Especially because the entry-level engineering job market right now is real bad. It's not good at all. Lot of engineers out there can't find work right now. And the same week that I got laid off, one of the big tech firms in Toronto also work for us, but like, we're not going to pay you. And on one side, there are benefits to it, right? So if you actually, you know, want to wait it out, there are benefits because your employment is continuous. So with respect